Welcome to the rat race. We are running a little bit behind. Let's go on our daily commute to work. Unfortunately, since we're running behind, I won't be able to get coffee. Let's turn off the screen and enjoy the drive. Usually I'll listen to music every morning, but oh wait, is this right? No, I don't know what I'm doing. I forgot how to turn it off. There you go. Alright. I know the car's not fully warmed up, but I read online you're supposed to ease into warming up the car. Usually my car is warmed up by the time I get to the freeway. So let's see. The sun is bright. I'm gonna have the air on and try to stay warm. Or how about let's do this, and then I can't see anything. The sun burns. So we can get better lighting. Alright, let's remove this. like every day. Usually I'll turn on all the assist on the car, and then turn on cruise control. But I'm gonna pass this Jeep first and then turn it on. Car works surprisingly well. I find myself using it a lot, especially on the freeway. I mean, the car almost drives basically for you. And I guess it senses when you're not touching the steering wheel. So look, check this out. If I wait long enough, it's gonna tell me to touch it. Also, I'm using the HUD. I said in a few videos back that I don't. Oh, there it is. You see that? And then it wants you to make sure your hands are on it. I said a few video backs that I don't use the HUD. I'm just experimenting with the car right now. So if it shows up on camera, then I have it turned on now. I'm like messing with all the settings and kind of testing and seeing what I like and what I don't like and how I want to drive the car versus kind of just figuring out what I like and what I don't. But yeah, as long as you like put your hands on the wheel, or even if you don't want to touch the wheel in cruise control, you can kind of just sit at the bottom here and like every so often like make micro adjustments, and the screen that pops up that tells you to put your hands back on the steering wheel won't come up. So I'm keeping my hand, I usually keep my hand like down here or something on cruise control, but the heated steering wheel feels good, so I'll hold it like this. Here's something rattling at the back of my car. It's kind of bothering me. I don't know what it is. I have a few things back there, so like my stuff for work. That's probably what it is, but it's kind of bugging me. I usually don't make this drive without like music or something, so it's even less energetic. And then I didn't have time to get coffee either, so it makes it way worse. But yeah. There. I'm going to cut the footage once I get off the freeway. And then I'll probably come back after I get off of work, and we'll get to experience the drive on the way home. So yeah. I gotta get over soon. Okay. Cool. Let's get over. Glad there's no traffic right now. This is actually unusual. This part of the freeway's always backed up. Probably like this exit and then down to the last exit is backed up, but I guess nobody works on a Friday. Or there wasn't a car accident. Alright, now that I'm off the freeway, I'll see you guys when I'm off work.